Hey, how's everybody doing? This is Alexander Investment Insights. We're back with another video. We're going to go over the trade I took this morning, a Tesla put, a scalp that only took me 2 minutes to get 40% on. And I'm going to go over what I saw, how I took it, my exit and entry, my risk management, all of the above. Okay, so you could get an understanding of why I took this trade, etc. So first, let's go to the daily chart on Tesla. So Tesla is obviously the daily chart. Tesla's obviously been booming up, but remember here we had earnings. They said a lot of stuff, a lot of news, innovation that they're going to start doing. We boomed up off of earnings. They didn't have the greatest financials, but they did boom up. Over here, Tesla, on I think June 12th, Elon got his package, remember his pay package, that boosted up Tesla again. And then over here around Wednesday 26th, Tesla had his deliverables, meaning that how much cars they made and how much cars they delivered. And it was a pretty good number. And ever since then, we've been booming up all the way to a high of 270. Remember down here at April 20th, a low of 140, and now we have a high of 270. It has been stalling out again. So, I did get a Tesla put this morning, and let's see what we saw. So obviously here we had supports on the daily time frame. I had a support here at 245.78 and another support at 244.39. If we go to the 1 minute chart, I'll show you what I saw. So here we had a bit of resistance on Tesla. You see that overnight we had this was our support, and then it broke yesterday, and then turned into resistance. So this was our resistance, right? We had resistance and then another smaller resistance here that was support. So this was pre-market. Support broke right here. Support broke and started using it as resistance. So this was my new resistance right here at 249 even. So 249 even was our resistance. The market opened. You see that we won up on the 1 minute time frame, didn't break that resistance, rejected back down. Very slow buying pressure. This isn't buying pressure. It went up to that resistance, came back down, okay? We started going up again, and this time we didn't even make it to the resistance. I got in on this candle right here for puts to take me down, since this support was already hit, to take me down to this support again. We exited at this support, boom, for 25% profit, and we took it to this next support right here. Support number 2 right here at 244.39. Boom, take profit for 40%. And you see after we took profit at this support, price boomed back up. Where? To our resistance level, near our resistance level. And then since then has been dropping back down. Even broke our 2 supports right now. And is finding another support. So that's what I did on Tesla. I hope you can see that we had yesterday we had support here. You see how price opened, boomed off support, broke that support. This is aftermarket, was using this as resistance at 250.75. 250.75 resistance, boom, dropped down. It actually hit our support pre-market, boomed up off our support, found that resistance again, didn't want to break that resistance, and started coming down back to where our support that we didn't find on the 1 minute, we didn't find it on the 2 minute or the 5 minute. We find support and resistances on the daily chart, right? Because we have our specific levels. We're able to use the Fibonacci. We're able to pick out key support and resistances that most people are looking at on the daily chart, and that's usually how price reacts intraday on the 1 minute and 5 minute chart. I like to use the 1 minute chart, sometimes the 5 minute charts, because I like to get my trading done and over, right? I took that trade at 6:45 and I exited around 6:50. That's 5 minutes. I'm done for the day. I could go to the gym now, pretty much. And just another thing, so since I had 2 supports here, I sold it all at this second support. I didn't want to hold anymore for any more continued push, since I already sold half at this take profit at that support, and then I took half at this, or the rest of the half at this support. So I didn't need to hold for any continued push. Also basically because I'm not bearish on Tesla right now. It's been moving upwards. A lot of people are bullish and excited about the things that they're going to have coming on years down the line, really. So and And it's good that I didn't, because you see that we had buying pressure right after that second support hit. I mean, like, look at these levels. Like, boom, perfect support hit. Boom, perfect support hit. What do they do when they hit that support? They reject. So once they reject, you want the entry to be up here. You want your entry to be here, so you get consistent red candles back down to your levels right here. See, boom, support hit. All right, you get entries right here. It doesn't want to break any more resistances. Entries right here. And where does it take you down? Boom, all the way past into these supports. And now it looks like it's using this next support as a resistance. So really, I could change this to a resistance now. We'll see how price reacts off that. We do have more supports. I could update some more supports right now if I wanted to. We could go down to the daily chart. I did like those those last supports, but if we do have another support, I'm gonna put a support now here at. I'm gonna put my support at 241.06. So 241.06 would be my next support. We do have a long ways to go till we get there. Like here on the 5-minute time frame, our next support is down here, and at our 1-minute time frame, it is down here. So it's actually not that far. We're just gonna have to want to see which resistances are gonna hold, and then we can find the top depending on how the candlesticks move off that resistance, and then get in for another put down to the downside. But that's what I see on Tesla. That's the scalp that I took this morning. I hope that this gave you some insight on how I traded this morning and how I trade pretty much every morning with using support and resistances, and mostly price action. It really depends on what price wants to do. So if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe. I know I've been kind of away. I've been where was I? I've been on vacation. I was in Reno, Vegas, Sacramento, Auburn for a family reunion, and actually I'm gonna move again. I know just 2 months ago I moved into this place, but I'm actually moving out of this place this weekend. So I apologize for not uploading a lot of videos. I've been busy, haven't actually really been trading much at all. So I'm gonna try to keep you updated with my plays and things like that. Just I'm not gonna try to slow down, but if I'm not able to upload a video every day this next week, just know that it's because I am moving and things are getting figured out as they go. So hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Like and subscribe for more. Other than that, I'll catch you in the next video.